Welcome to Global Crypto AI Pulse. I'm Ananya. Today, we venture into the digital wilderness to track a creature in crisis, the Bitcoin bull. Here, in its natural habitat, the blockchain, the bull faces a terrifying prospect. Is it heading for a 40,000 extinction event? To the untrained eye, 40,000 looks like a round number. To the crypto trader, it looks like the edge of a very sharp, very pointy cliff. Watch as the species known as the day trader begins its seasonal panic. Note the frantic clicking, a desperate mating call for liquidity. The economic climate is shifting. High interest rates are like a digital winter, and our Bitcoin bull hasn't packed a sweater. If it hits 40,000, will it bounce? Or will it plummet into the abyss where the altcoins dwell in permanent darkness? Experts are divided. Half say we're going to the moon. The other half say we're going to the basement. Most are just looking for their login passwords. Deep in the mining colonies, the hum of hardware grows louder. They provide the heartbeat of this ecosystem, regardless of the price. And look, a rare sighting, the whale. A creature so large, its smallest movement can create waves that drown entire portfolios. The whale doesn't care about 40,000. The whale eats 40,000 for breakfast, and it doesn't even use a napkin. Then there's the retail investor, small, hopeful, and prone to checking their phone every 35 seconds. Nature is truly cruel. They wait for a signal, a tweet, a meme, anything to tell them that their $40,000 nightmare is just a dream. But there is resistance. The 40,000 line is a fortress built of hope, leverage, and people who bought at 60,000. The bull fights to keep its footing. It's a struggle for survival that would make David Attenborough weep if he invested in crypto. The indicators are flashing, the RSI is oversold, the MACD is crossing, and my magic 8-ball just said, ask again later. Navigating these charts is like trekking through the Amazon without a map, and with a significant chance of being eaten by a bear. The bear is patient. It waits for the bull to tire, and at 40,000, the bear is starting to look very, very hungry. One swipe and it's over. The portfolio is shredded. The vacation to the Maldives becomes a staycation in the backyard. But remember, the circle of life. Every crash is just a precursor to the next feeding frenzy. It's the law of the digital jungle. Even at 40,000, life finds a way. New investors emerge, ready to be humbled by the next cycle of volatility. From the server rooms of Iceland to the cafes of El Salvador, the pulse of Bitcoin is felt everywhere. It is a global phenomenon. Shared anxiety brings us together. Nothing unites humanity quite like losing 10% of your net worth in a Tuesday afternoon. So, if we hit 40,000, take a deep breath. It's just a number. A terrifying portfolio melting number, but just a number. Find your inner peace, or find a hobby that doesn't involve checking the price of a digital asset every time you blink. Will Bitcoin crash to 40,000? The data says maybe. The charts say perhaps. My gut says I should have stayed in law school. But one thing is certain, the pulse of the market never stops. It beats on through the green and the red, through the bull and the bear. For more insights into this wild digital frontier, stay tuned to Global Crypto AI Pulse. I'm Ananya, your guide through the chaos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, are you a bull, a bear, or just confused? Until next time, keep your keys safe and your nerves steady. The wilderness is waiting. Goodbye for now.